In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Crypto.com account. My name's Anthony Allen, welcome here to my YouTube channel. I upload a variety of content surrounding three main niches: gaming, editing, and online money. And in this online money video, I'm going to show you how to create a Crypto.com account. And I'm also going to run you through the basics of what is available on Crypto.com. We're going to be using the Crypto.com application. Let's jump in. Once you have clicked the link in the description, this will take you to the Crypto.com application. Here is where you will find yourself. This is where you will need to sign up for Crypto.com. This is where we will select sign up. After we have selected sign up, you will see some of the cashback offers that you get when you take out some of the cards that are available on Crypto.com. We'll look into this further in a moment. You can also see some of the other benefits being Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. These are just a few of the offers that Crypto.com is advertising to you as you are about to sign up for your Crypto.com account. You can also see Airbnb and Expedia, and there is more advertisements as well. You can see your crypto made simple, as this is a cryptocurrency exchange. They are advertising that this is the place to buy and sell and pay with crypto. Forget the banks, let's go. On the next page, you will need to enter an email account. Make sure you have access to this email account, as you will need to access it to confirm your Crypto.com account. After you've entered your email account, you will then have this little puzzle to solve. You solve the puzzle. Nice and easy. Then you go to your email account and you will come back to the application to find that your email has been confirmed. If you have a passcode on your mobile phone, this is where you will need to enter that password. Of course, if it's incorrect, you have 5 attempts and you'll be locked out for 30 minutes if you fail after 5 attempts of entering your mobile phone code. But of course, if it's your mobile phone and you have a passcode, you should know this. Therefore, I'm going to enter mine now, and you will see that I gain access to my Crypto.com account. We are then greeted by more promotional offers. For example, here we are being notified about the 30-day zero fees for your credit debit card that you order with Crypto.com, as these fees will be waived, but we'll look into this further in a moment. Here we are. This is the interface of Crypto.com. I'm going to walk you through so it's made entirely understandable and very simple. At the moment, at the bottom of the screen, you can see that we have the home screen selected. From here, I'm going to click on the tab which says refer to get $25. This will take you to this referral bonus page. You can refer your friends to Crypto.com to get yourself $25. This $25 will be earned in CRO, and that is the cryptocurrency of Crypto.com. You can see here more information on how this works. Of course, I will leave a referral link in the description down below. In order to earn that CRO in your Crypto.com account, there is an action the referral needs to complete. Now here on the next page, we are moving on to accounts. You can see that we've selected accounts at the bottom of the application there. We are then given this notification which is notifying us that we can change the shortcuts within the application, meaning we can change these icons after holding onto them for 2 seconds. Nice and easy. Our two shortcut options are buy and crypto wallet. We are then quickly given this notification which is notifying us that we can convert small amounts of crypto into crypto dust, which is the main currency of Crypto.com. Now this notification was given to us because we've just entered our crypto wallet. From that shortcut page that you've just seen, I've just entered our crypto wallet. You will have a crypto wallet along with your Crypto.com account. This is where your crypto will be stored and can be transferred to. To keep things simple for you at this stage, imagine your wallet as to where you keep your money. This is where you'll be keeping your crypto as well. That wallet is where all your money is stored, where your cryptocurrency is stored. Let's not get into hash addresses just yet or external wallets just yet. Let's keep this nice and simple. This is where your crypto is stored with Crypto.com and any crypto you purchase using the Crypto.com exchange. Now the wallet is also displaying a portfolio of what I have available on the exchange at the moment. You can see that I have 0 Bitcoin Cash, for example, and 0 Litecoin. This is where you are seeing the amounts of each cryptocurrency I have stored within that wallet on crypto.com. Moving swiftly on, if you select track at the bottom of the application, you will be able to track the current progress and market value of various cryptocurrency coins, and you can see that we're looking at all coins that can be tracked with the crypto.com exchange here. Then we have the USP, the unique selling point of crypto.com as an exchange, and that is the cards option. If you select cards at the bottom of the application, you will see various crypto.com cards that you can order. These are physical cards that you can order to your address and start using for various purchases. And here you can see the benefits of this card and what you can do with it, and more information on each card. You can see me scrolling through various cards right now. You can do this yourself when you join the application, see what you can purchase, and you can also see if you have any monthly fees, if you can earn any cash back, and a lot more, meaning that you can use the currency within your crypto.com account to make purchases. Here is a Visa card from crypto.com. We're looking at the Jade Green privileges and what you can do with this card. You can have a look through various cards that are available on crypto.com straight from your application and order it to your home and get that physical card through the post. Now, it's valid to mention that I am not yet using a crypto.com card. I need more information before I start using this card, and I may make a video about these cards when I order mine myself in order to give you more information on how these cards work, and we'll also look into it a lot further if this is something that you find value in. But here are the main basics of how to use and understand the crypto.com application. This is the main functions of the application we've just been through. Portfolio is basically the same as wallet. We were given the portfolio of what we have available on the exchange. If you would like to get started with crypto.com, click that link down in the description right now so you can download the application and get started. If you've enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. On screen right now you should see a playlist, the Online Money playlist, where you can find more videos like this one. You will also see another video relevant to you because you've made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in more content right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel.